Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this pockets on cardigan hack on Dress to Impress. And the best part is you do not need a VIP for this, and you only need 2 items. You do need a code item. I don't remember what this one's called, but you need this one. Just disable the bow part. You can color this to whatever color you want, for instance brown or black or whatever. I'm just going to do brown on this one, just like for an example here. Let's do brown and black, and then we're going to use this skirt that's over here. Then we're going to color the first 2 brown, and then I'm just going to color the pockets black. You can color it to whatever color you want, of course. And then I'm just going to color the rest brown here. And that is pretty much it. My favorite though is the one that I just had before. It's the black and white version. I'm just going to do that real quick. Here, I'll just color the 3rd toggle white. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.